If you're watching this video, you're probably looking to create a design like a logo, a promo flyer, maybe your event poster, or your social media graphics. Whatever your current creative need is, you've come to the right place. Illustrator is the industry standard for creating professional vector art. And the good news is that you do not need to know how to draw to get started. Have you ever made a shape or added text using any other app or software? If you have, you already know the basics of creating vector art. In Illustrator, you can take your creativity a step further by combining and transforming shapes into more complex designs. And that's exactly what you're going to learn in this series of tutorials covering the fundamentals of creating vector art. And if you're wondering where to start, we're here to help. These videos are going to guide you through this journey. So let's begin by discovering some of the essential features. You can create text, choose a font to match your brand, design a shape, and make edits like changing color. So now click on the link to continue this tutorial inside Illustrator.